Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to return something to Poshmark. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Poshmark does not directly handle returns for items purchased through the platform as it's a peer-to-peer marketplace. However, you can request a return or refund under the specific conditions. Now, in order to case for a return, what you need to do is first head over and open up a Poshmark app. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside there, go to the My Purchases tab. Then inside there, find the item you want to return. Then once you're inside there, tap on the Get Help option and choose the reason you want to request a return, example item not as described. Then follow the on-screen prompts to open a case, and then if Poshmark finds the item isn't as described, they may issue a refund and request you to return the item to the seller. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.